Okay, I guess this is how we'll do it. Good morning. So today is the 22nd, and I did not record yesterday's vlog because I was out with friends all night, so I didn't have a chance to do a video last night. But here we are. So yesterday, I got to work in the morning and shit went south. Shit was so south at work because we forgot to do something the day before, which would have been Friday. We forgot to do something, and it ended up like causing a domino effect for the rest of my job. And thank God I got there at 8 a.m. super early, and I was basically able to fix my mistake and like undo the domino effect that it caused for the most part. And that, like, I got into work 6 hours early, and then I ended up like using all 6 hours to like undo my mistake. So it was a good thing that I came in early. I thought it was gonna be relaxing, but it was very hectic. And then I had lunch, and we ended up, one of my coworkers got us pizza. Oh, so good. Deep dish pizza, Illuminati's. And then I recorded the vlog for the previous day. And after that, we finished the job. I ended up staying. I didn't leave at 8. I said I was going to leave at 8. I did not leave at 8. I ended up leaving around 9. But around 8 o'clock, no, around 7 o'clock, when my friends messages me if I want to meet up with them later. And I said, what the hell, why not? I start school soon, so I might not have as much free time. So I might as well do it now before school starts again on Monday. And so I ended up leaving work at 9 and then heading straight over to my friend's house. And it was fun. We played a couple drinking games with cards. And then we watched The Last of Us, the first episode, on HBO Max, # not sponsored. And then, it was a very, very fortunate night. It was a very nice night, and I met some new people that I'm happy. I'm happy I met some new people, and hopefully, things keep looking up, because things were looking up last night and this morning. So let's keep the good vibes going, hopefully into today. But yeah, so that's the plan. Goals that I set for myself: leave at 8. I didn't do, but I did get there early. I got there early and I got shit done so quick. Oh my god. And then I left at 9. What else did I have? Hold on, I have it here in my bag. Hold on. As you can see, I'm not in my room and I'm not at work recording this. The reason for that is, one, all morning, I was slacking all morning and still recovering from yesterday's fun activities. And then as I was about to head to work, I found out that shipment got in early, so I'm not gonna have time to just record the video and upload it really fast when I'm there. So I'm just recording it as I'm going to work. My focus is still on the road, but it's also like trying to create this video. So drive safe, everyone. But yeah, so once I get to a red light, we will check what our goals were for yesterday. But yeah, it was a good day yesterday. It started out very hectic, but in all seriousness, it was a good day. we fixed our mistake from the previous day. We ended up working over 12 hours from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. with only one 30-minute lunch. I had a good time last night at my friend's house, and I'm excited to, or make future plans with them. We set up some future plans, so who knows, we might do that. And but other than that, for my goals, I believe I didn't play Bread and Fred because I wasn't home. I literally went from work to a party, and then I stayed at that party until before work. What else? Let's see. We came to a red light, so maybe I can pull this up. Cool. All right. So work times 2, so I'm guessing work extra like 16 hours versus 8. Check, I did that. Bread and Fred part 2, I did not do. Workout, I kind of did a workout. The drinking games, like we ended up having to do a lot of exercise for some reason. I don't remember how many push-ups, but I did like 35 push-ups. I did a 60-minute plank. I arm wrestled one of my friends and won, which was shocking. I didn't think I was gonna beat him, but I won. And yeah, so we did kinda a workout. We kinda did a workout, but oh my god. Oh no. Well, if you can still hear me, great. If not, oh well. So we kind of did a workout, which we can kind of check that off. We did work a double shift, so we can check that off. And Bread and Fred, we didn't do, but I'll probably do that tonight with my sister, because I know she's been really wanting to play it, and we'll probably play it again tonight. Because tonight, my goal is to get home by like 7, around 7 o'clock. So we will see. I got to a red light. Let me grab my phone. Oh, okay. And we're back. Whew. Put my seatbelt back on. But yes, so that was good. Our goals for today. So a good quote for today could be, I don't have my tablet or my phone right now is recording, so we're just gonna create one, being, life happens when you're not looking, and when you're looking too hard, you miss what's happening in life, right? So like if you're looking too hard for meaning in your life, then you're gonna miss a bunch of things that could give your life meaning on the day-to-day basis. But if you just live your life, you're gonna connect with your surroundings, with people around you, and that's gonna create, more meaning for your life. Like last night, I just lived the night because, like I said, school was starting soon, so I said, why not? And so me going to that party and just living life in the moment allowed me to meet new people and create new memories, and hopefully create future new memories with new people that I met. So, we will see. We will see. But yeah, so, all good things. Hopefully, today's goals, obviously, go to work. We're on our way there now, so I'm already completing that. Leave around 7. We might try to read, because if shipment got there early, then I should be able to leave early. But I might just read my book for a little bit, take a 15 in between, read my book, and then get back on, just so I can get back into reading that book, because today is the last day. I'm going to finish that book. I'm going to finish reading it. I might not make a lot of notes on it, but I'm going to read it, because that was my goal, to read that book by the time school starts. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, so finish reading the book. Bread Fred part 3, I think it's part 3, and then also leave work at 7. Yeah, I didn't have a chance to shower at my house before work, so hopefully I can shower once I get home, because my dad finally this morning turned off the water, and tomorrow we'll see. We will see. Or not tomorrow, but today, your tomorrow, when you see the video get uploaded. In terms of spooky jokes to end this vlog, whatever you want to call it, I don't have a spooky joke, so let's see, what could be a spooky joke? I don't have one. We won't do a spooky joke today, but tomorrow we'll do two spooky jokes. But yeah, that's how today went, or yesterday went. January 21st, my 21st day of vlogging. So, things are looking up. But, we just gotta keep doing what we're doing so that things can keep looking up, and not overcompensate and think that we're doing more than enough, to the point where we stop doing enough and then things start going downhill. No, we're doing good. Our finances are looking better, especially after this check. It's gonna be back to square zero. We're gonna have money for our activities. We're gonna have money for my bills again. And then I already paid school off for this month, and the next time I have to pay for school is in March. So I have a good 3 checks before I have to pay that off too. Honestly more like 5 checks, because the payments are at the end of the month and at the beginning of the month. So that would be great, So yeah. So this is gonna be exciting. Again, things are looking up. I hope that this keeps looking up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah. Adios. Oh, wait. I had an idea, right? So I had an idea, and it was based off a video I watched, or a show that I watched, right? You remember how shows would always show you or more specifically, I forgot what the one main show was, but you're probably wondering how I got here, and then it explains how he got there, and it just shows a picture of what happened. So I might do that with future vlogs. Maybe not this week, but maybe next week's vlogs. I'll take a picture that I took that day, and I'll upload that as the thumbnail, and I'll do a whole montage of pictures of me throughout the day, because just doing vlogs like this, don't get me wrong, it's super easy, super quick, and I can just upload it even if I'm very last minute like I am now. So, but I want to add more to it. I did go to school for visual graphics. I did go to school for video editing and graphic design. So I want to start incorporating more of that into these videos. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna be editing these videos more and more. I think every month I'm gonna change up how I do the vlogs, and hopefully it's for the better. If it's not for the better, then I'll go back and maybe change something else. If it is for the better, then we'll keep it and we'll add to it. So moving forward, starting with the February 1st vlog, which would be the 30th first vlog, day 31. We'll switch it up with just having a picture of a picture of me during that day, and then we'll be like, you're probably wondering how I got here. And then we'll talk about what happened for that day. We'll talk about our daily quote. We'll talk about our spooky joke. And then we'll move on to the end of the video and our goals for the next day. So now we can finish the video. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Adios.